Hey everyone, welcome to Latoonie. This is AJ here from Latoonie.com. First of all, as always, a big thank you for everyone for your support. We do have Black Singlet Andre Demolition shipping out. I'm gonna be on, kind of out for the next couple of weeks, just traveling to Canada for a bit. So you might actually see a delay in shipping. But here's the good news. While I'm not here, we should have Painted Andre getting landed uh, anytime next week, and then we have to wait about 5 to 10 business days for custom clearance. Custom clearance post tariffs is kind of a coin toss. Sometimes it goes quickly in a couple of days. Sometimes it take up to 7 to 10 business days. So nevertheless, we should have by the time I come back mid of August, then we basically will have all Painted Andre inventory. So for those of you who have not seen Black Singlet Andre, we are kind of just waiting on it so we can just ship it all together. But I believe I tried to get almost everyone's orders out, earlier this week. Um, and then secondly, I think we will also get the Everest Macho. Some of you already have received Everest Macho. If you have not, we are maybe like 15 to 20 days away. So, like I said, by the time I come back, we should have both of these ready, along with the yellow Mega Powers Macho Man, small one that should be getting completed. Jungle Macho Man should be getting completed maybe in the next 2 to 3 weeks as well. And then I think they're due. They will. I think the factory. I have to check with them, but I think they kind of already started out on what do you call that? Demolition Smash, and then the Hall of Fame Macho Man. So we got a lot going. So and then we obviously have to uh, kind of launch toy commercial Macho Man as well. So I'm waiting on a couple of final items to tighten up on that before I kind of officially release it. I just want to make sure I have all bases covered on how we gonna package it and all that. Because I want to give all that information up front when we release toy commercial Macho Man. So I wanted to actually quickly show because I think I totally forgot about doing a showcase of the samples of Marty Jannetty and Tito Santana. So I have both of these here. Here you go. These awesome kind of a hybrid between Remco and Hasbro. A lot of folks, so this is Marty Jannetty. So it will kind of come with, we're gonna do two things. We're gonna basically add, whoops, I have to be very careful with these small figures. Especially these are samples, hard samples. So it's gonna be very easy to take his shirt off. So I'm just gonna take his shirt off. You can see Marty Jannetty here, and then obviously we will have kind of those. I don't know, it's very difficult to see. Let me rotate him. So he will have those black markings, kind of like I think zebra was back very probably in the late 80s. So a lot of wrestlers actually wore that, and then he will have his kind of paint going across for the black zebra style markings as well on his shoes. He will come with two accessories. One will be a hat, which you can place on Marty. Again, the hat kind of came about from his famous, obviously, promo shoot, right? So you can place it on Marty if you like, and then secondly, he will come up with this accessory. Now we kind of gave a throwback to kind of how his original figure came out during his Rockers days. Obviously, it's a very weird style glasses you can see, and you will be able to place it on him, and they will fit very perfectly. Balance it, they will fit very perfectly, and this figure looks good. The baseline, we kind of kept it similar to the base body he is sharing with kind of similar style Macho Man. Again, this is kind of a very, more of a throwback figure. When we will be doing Marty in his specific aging scale in a totally different form. We might actually do him in this fashion as well. I'm not too sure yet. I haven't come around given that a thought, but we might actually kind of give him this throwback as well over there as well, most likely in the giant series scale. So that's for Marty. I think it looks very good once you kind of see him in this color scheme. And then we have Tito. Tito is right here. Again, pretty similar. He will have, um, he will have this lightning bolt right here on his shoes, obviously red laces. He will have his Tito hat right here, then the bolt on his trunks, and then he will have a fabric shirt as well, and then obviously the red wristbands as well. So that's Tito. So again, very small, cool figures, and once you place them with Macho Man side by side, I think they look very cool. So this is our production Macho. This is Tito. So these will look very cool. All three of these together. Again, the idea is to kind of give a throwback to that same 80s era. So that's why they will kind of, once you see these figures, they will kind of reminded you as you are holding like an 80s style figure. So that's I would say that's really the kind of the beauty of these. And they look very nice. We'll take some photographs, once we get close to production. Now, the production on these shall go pretty quick. We haven't started mold on this yet, so we'll probably start molding these probably first week of August, probably add 30 days. So I'm expecting to get Marty and Tito in everyone's hand before Christmas time. So I would kind of, continue to shoot for that production date right now. But I'll share more. I would say I would have more concrete updates in the next couple of weeks on how we are proceeding. So I just wanted to quickly showcase this out. Thank you as always for everyone's support. I hope you like the Toonstar. There's a lot to come. I think we should have the actual samples completed by end of this week. I've seen the sample photographs, look very awesome. There's going to be a now or never edition Ric Flair, which I will showcase once I have the production sample in hand. It's going to be a color variant, but I think that color variant will kind of bring a lot of Ric Flair memories. Once we kind of showcase that, I think it will bring a lot of Ric Flair, memories back. And then whoever is a fan of Flair, have followed his career, will immediately be able to relate to it. Thank you all as always. This is AJ signing off from Latoonie.com.